Hey guys, it's Skylar and welcome back. Today's video is going to be my April BoxyCharm unboxing. Now, if the video today looks a little weird, I did play around with my camera settings because I've noticed in like my past couple of videos, I've been really washed out and I'm pale as it is, but in those videos, I think I was overexposed. So I did try and play around with my camera settings. I don't know if I've made it better or worse. I'm hoping it's better significantly, but I obviously won't know until I go and edit this video, so could be a mess. Also, I did not fill in my eyebrows today. I did do that on purpose. I'm filming another video after this where I'm actually going to be doing a face paint, so keep an eye out for that. Anyways, with that being said, let's get right into today's video. So this is what the box looks like. Now, if you are new to my channel or you have not seen my past videos about BoxyCharm, this is a monthly subscription box that is geared towards makeup, hair, nails, and skincare. Now, this box retails for $21, or you can actually prepay in advance and get some money off. I think it's like 2 boxes that you get for free technically if you pay in advance. Now, when you get the box, the very first thing you will see upon opening it is a little slip of paper that tells you the theme. Every month has a different themed box. Now, this month's box is Peace, Love, and Boxy. I'm not really sure what that means. I think that it's geared towards like festivals and stuff, especially because Coachella was this month, and I believe that that's kind of what they've geared the whole box towards. So you basically get over $100 worth of items for $21 a month, which I think is a really good discount. Inside the box, you normally will get like 5 to 6 full-sized items, and then sometimes you'll get like little sample-sized items along with it. Now, the first thing upon opening the box is the Artist Kuchar Diamond Glow Powder. Now, I've never heard of this brand before. I actually really like the packaging on this box. It's very aesthetically pleasing, especially for me where my aesthetic is really mainly just like black and white. So to me, this is really pleasing to look at. It looks like the shade that I received is Purple Dream. Now, I believe that you could have gotten this shade and another one that I believe was more of like a champagne color. I'm not entirely sure, but I do know that there was a variation in what shade you could get. This retails for $27. It is an all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight that can be used on the eyes, the lips, and obviously as highlighter on the cheekbones. It's a really versatile formula, and it's highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. So this is kind of what it looks like in the container. I don't want to tip it over too much. It looks like I've already opened this because there was actually like a little plastic piece inside that was a pain in the ass to get out, and I didn't want to sit here struggling with it. I'm gonna try and swatch this right here on my wrist. I don't know if it'll show up too well. It's like a really pretty orangey purple pigment. I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up all too well. I mean, it does a little bit, but really pretty. It looks really orange in the container itself. Fear not, it isn't. It is more of like I would say like a weird purpley orange, actually. It's not like really orange, but it's almost like a pinky purple, and it's actually really pretty. It's fun. I mean, it definitely fits in with the festive vibe that they're going for. I think this is a really pretty shade, and it is perfect for like festivals. I think if I were to go to a concert, I would wear this because it would be really blinding with the lights and stuff, especially when they dim the lights as they come out on stage. Like, I think it would be really pretty, and it pops. Like, you'll definitely catch attention with this highlighter. The next item we have is the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base. Now, I don't use eyeshadow primer too much anymore. Now I just normally go for concealer and powder. It just works better for me. But this is what the packaging looks like, and inside you get this tube of eyeshadow primer. Now, it looks like they are cruelty-free, and this is in the nude shade, so I'm assuming that they have like a whole line of different shades you could purchase. Now, this retails for $14, and it is a cruelty-free vegan formula, glides onto your eyelids without dragging or creasing. My favorite eyeshadow primer out there currently is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Now, like I said, I don't really go for eyeshadow primers anymore, but I'm not sure how this will perform. I'm gonna test this with eyeshadow eventually, not now, because like I said, I am going to be doing a face paint later, but I'm anxious to see how long this will last with eyeshadow, and I will have to do a wear test and let you guys know what I think about it if it lasts all night like it claims. The next item we have is actually a lip gloss. Now, this is the Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss. Again, this follows the theme with like the holographic colors. This delivers an intense holographic shine to your lips with this Appeal Cosmetics exclusive launch. Now, I have never heard of this brand before, so I don't know what else they sell. It retails for $21. Now, this could be worn alone or on top of any sort of like lipstick you might wear, which I think would be really pretty if you have the right shade of lipstick to wear with this. The next item we have is another brush set. This is the Luxy Summer Days brush set. Now, I feel like we've been getting a lot of brushes recently. I don't know what it's been, but like the last couple of months, I feel like all I've been receiving is brushes. This is a 3-piece brush set that retails for $28. It comes with the Luxy 512 small contouring brush, the Luxy 209 large shader brush, and the 245 small shader brush. I don't mind getting more eyeshadow brushes because I usually will use them for face paints or doing makeup on other people if I don't want to ruin my brushes, because I have my favorite ones like set aside. This is a really good shape to sculpt the sides of your face with, so I'll be anxious to try this to see what it looks like on. It doesn't say on the packaging or on the little slip of paper whether or not these are cruelty-free or vegan, but the brush hairs do feel synthetic. I don't think that it is made from any sort of animal hair. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's not. And then the very last item in the box for April is the Pure Cosmetics Festival palette. Now, I love the packaging on this. I think that it's just the summer vibes I get from it. I'm obsessed. I think it's really pretty with the sunset colors and the sunglasses with the palm trees. This is a 12-piece pressed pigmented palette. It actually did come with a sample inside the box. This is the Pure Get a Grip eyeshadow primer. Again, I don't really use eyeshadow primers, but it is nice that they come with a sample with the eyeshadow. Now, this is what the palette looks like itself. Upon opening the palette, you can see it comes with a really nice sized mirror. It comes with 4 matte shades, 6 foils, and then 2 like glitter eyeshadows over here. When I poke the glitter shades, it actually feels like sticky and almost like a putty kind of eyeshadow rather than the normal like powdered shadow, and I think that's just to ensure that the glitter doesn't get everywhere because they didn't want to put loose glitter in the palette. That wouldn't make sense. This palette is really pretty. You can definitely wear this if you want to do a neutral look, or you can add that pop of color or glitter. So I think that the palette overall is pretty versatile in that sense. The shades in this palette can definitely be duped out with other things that I have, but overall I think it's a really good palette and it does fit in with the festival theme. So that is actually it in today's BoxyCharm unboxing. Now, if you are interested in purchasing BoxyCharm for yourself, or you just want to check them out, I will leave a link down below. I will also leave a link down below for my past BoxyCharm videos if you're interested in looking at those. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, be sure to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Those links will be down below. I do post extra little things that you wouldn't see on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Now, like I said, I don't really go for eyeshadow potion, like the, what is this called? On the left side of the palette, or I guess this is the right side, but it looks like your left. If you enjoyed swag, I need to change my battery. My battery.